Hello everyone, this is Maria. Welcome back to GuideWise. Today I'm going to show you how you can see your YouTube Music recap. So the first thing we're going to do is to download the YouTube Music app. After you do that, we're going to tap on Open. Now, once you do, you're going to see Speed Dial, and at the bottom, you're going to see the option to Recap 2025. I'm going to tap right here, and here's where you can relive the songs, the artists, and the albums that made your year better. What is really cool about YouTube Music as well is that you can even ask an AI, which I think is Gemini, which is Google's AI, what were your favorite songs? So for example, I love Drake, and it's asking me what were my top tracks by Drake, what animal matches my music taste. So it's a little bit better than Spotify Wrapped, I would say, because you're able to ask a little bit more questions. You can also ask about your year. So for example, who's a new artist I should be listening to? And you're gonna get your answer. And as you can see, it's going to give you suggestions, but of course you can get your recap where you're going to see your top songs. You're also going to see how many minutes you listened to and what were your favorite songs, your favorite albums, and the same thing pretty much as Spotify. And that's it. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and to like the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.